Hello everyone, welcome back to Graybrook Creations. My name is Michaela and today I just have a quick little project to show you where I'm going to be making some stickers for a gym near my house that I go to for their annual awards / Christmas party event. So come along with me as I make these stickers. Thanks for watching. When I started this project, I started by designing these stickers on Canva. I had already designed some stickers for my gym a while back. I think it was probably for last year, and so I just kind of built off of that design that I already had. Here you can see I'm just getting the sticker paper into the printer. I always double check to make sure I'm printing on the correct side of the sticker paper because I have printed one time in the past where I printed on the wrong side of the sticker paper and then the stickers came out just like a normal piece of paper. I also pulled out my laminate that I'm going to use for this project. I like to put a clear laminate or sometimes like a sparkly laminate on top of my stickers just to help waterproof them. After getting my stickers designed and uploaded onto my computer, the next step in my process is getting the design into my Cricut design space. This is like just like uploading a picture onto your computer, kind of. So here's the first sticker I'm going to be making. It's gonna probably be for like water bottles or notebooks, so I made it a little bigger than 2 inches. And the first one I'm making has red in it. There's also going to be another one with gray in it for someone at the gym that doesn't like the red on the stickers, so I'm making them a special gray sticker. Overall, I need to make 10 of these red stickers, so I always start out by trying to figure out how to lay them out in the design space so that I can actually get as many stickers as possible in the space I can use for stickers. For those of you that have a Cricut, you know that the area that you can print on is limited. That is also why I have the gray in the background. That kind of serves as my template on the amount of space I have for my stickers. So here you can see I'm just kind of reworking the pattern I have for the stickers so that I can get all 10 onto the page. On top of doing all 10 red stickers, like I said earlier, I need to include one gray sticker. So I'm just going to move these bottom two down and over so that it's a row of 3, and that will allow me to add that last gray sticker. Before I get that sticker on my canvas, I have to upload it into my design space. So here you can see me doing that. Now that I have all the stickers on the canvas, I'm going to go ahead and hide that gray square in the back and then attach all the little stickers to each other so that they don't move around. And now I'm going to get this printed on my printer. I always like to remove the add bleed option when I'm printing, and then I go to add printer preferences so that I can select photo paper. I've found that the sticker paper is most like photo paper when printing, and if I select that, it just gives me a clearer print. As you can see here, these were not fast to print. They took a very long time. Here you can see a close-up of me just waiting. Now that I have my sheet of stickers, I need to get this laminated. I always laminate before I cut with my Cricut so that I can just do one clean sheet of laminate. The laminate pages that I get are a little bit bigger than a standard piece of paper, so I do have to trim them down, which is usually fine. Most of the time when I'm printing stickers anyway, I'm not printing on a whole piece of paper anyway, so I'd have to cut it down no matter what. This specific type of laminate is no heat laminate, so it's basically just like a giant clear sticker that's waterproof that I put over the sticker paper. Sometimes I save these little scraps of sticker paper, but a lot of times when they're this small, I just end up throwing them away. I've found the best way to hold my sticker paper down when I'm putting the laminate on top is to just tape it down with some masking tape. Otherwise, it can kind of move around and then that can ruin the laminate on top of the sticker paper and you have to reprint it. So I typically just put one piece of tape at the top and then one piece of tape in the bottom corner where I originally stick the laminate so that that corner specifically stays down. After I stick the corner of the laminate down, I take this scraper and at the same time I kind of gently pull off the back of the laminate and push it forward with my scraper. I don't remember where I got the scraper. I think I got it in a case to put like a screen protector on an iPad, and I've used it for my stickers ever since, and it works so good. Once I'm done putting the laminate on the sticker paper, it's time to actually get this page into my Cricut so it can get cut out. I just line it up with the top. I like to use the blue mats for my stickers. I've just found that the green ones kind of rip the paper off the back. They're not quite gentle enough. Here I'm just going to stick it in my Cricut and then it's going to go ahead and get cutting. After my Cricut is all done cutting, I just bend the mat slightly and usually the stickers start to pop off. I think it's about time for a new blade because these ones came out pretty good, but there were a few edges that were still attached and they were still kind of stuck in the paper a little bit. So maybe time to put that new blade on there for my next set of stickers. After all the stickers have been punched out of the sticker paper, I go ahead and put my clear cover back on my Cricut mat so that it doesn't get dirty. I like to roll it on there, make sure it's really stuck. And now I'm going to take some product photos. One of my favorite items to use when taking product photos, especially stickers, is literally just a toilet paper roll. It just works so well to set a sticker on the top, and then if you put all the other stickers around it on the desk or flat surface, it kind of gives it this like 3D look and it makes the top sticker stand out. So here you can see me doing that. Sometimes you have to mess around with like the portrait settings a little bit to get it to blur the stickers in the back and make the sticker in the front clear. But yeah, usually it works out and it gives it a really cool 3D effect. Now that I took a picture of the gray sticker, I'm just going to take a picture of one of the red stickers as well. Here you can see I'm just kind of moving everything around to make it look good. And then after getting that red sticker, I'm just going to take a couple more photos of one red sticker and one gray sticker. I'm not really sure what I'm going to want to post yet, so I like to get a lot of photos just in case I like some more than others. Here you can see I got a few good pictures, so now I'm going to go ahead and get these into a little pile so I can put them into my packaging. I have a standard gray brick thank you kind of like background that I like to put in my sticker packages. And here you can see I'm just sliding that into the plastic and then I'm going to stick the stickers in right on top. And now I have a finished product that I can give to someone as a gift or if it's something they ordered. So thanks again for watching.